Okay, 1 minute before the market opening. I've gone ahead and marked the daily highs and the daily lows, which coincide with the Asia market high and low. We had this trend line here that was broken. "10 seconds could be a possibility to visit the lows here, 30 points, or the highs, 40 points.
Hey, Thirst, come drop that.
Selling what? Ah, yeah, the market. We'll see. Let's see how strong the move is. All right, we've had the start of the session right here. Let's see. Could be just revisiting the trend line, then continuing lower. No, not yet selling. No positions. I want to wait and see if this is just a small correction and then continuation lower for about 30 points, maybe 50. Depends. We're still in a very tight range here. I don't know if it's gonna try to break out today or not. Okay, we have a sell signal here. Adding to the position. I think at this point I'm just gonna close at 1 to 3. Yeah, at this level. Just get some starting profits. So $30 for the moment. I didn't want to hold for a long because this may turn out to be support. Could also just come down to this level, which would have been about a 1 to 5. So for now, just 1 to 2 and 1 to 0.5. So let's see how the first 5 minutes closes. Slight rejection of the level. Could be a bounce here. Holding slightly at the level. I don't think we're gonna go up right now. Still consolidating, barely pulling out of the level, so let's wait. I only need a 1 to 2 to get to the daily target. Continuing lower. Right now I'm not super convinced this is gonna head lower than this level. So about 20-30 points. We could see a reaction of the level here. Although this was a good sell sign. So a big candle at the open. About 100 points. Which is pretty consistent with what the DAX has been doing the last few weeks. Just a 100-point move at the open, then correcting. So I think I'm gonna wait for that. Seems like a buy signal forming. So this actually was a good sign to sell for the continuation, just 1-3. But after this point I'm not sure I should continue chasing. Still a downtrend though. So we had the buy signal here, sign to add, and continuation. So I think I'm gonna take this buy. Just looking for a 1 to 2, 20 points to get to the daily target. This could just be a pullback, so I want to be careful.
Why have you been avoiding me so much lately? Did I do something wrong, or was it maybe something I said? I'm going crazy thinking about it.
Didn't do anything.
Say you're sorry, darling. Say it's all your fault. Say you miss me and you wish that you answered my calls. Say you're not done falling.
Still downtrending.
Say you're waiting for me, that you wanna press restart.
Okay, closed. With a sell signal. But I'm actually super hesitant that this is gonna be a continuation lower. Just gonna wait. "30 seconds until the first 15-minute candle closes." 5-minute closed as well, looking like we're gonna have some sort of correction here. Yeah, we're getting a buy signal.
Oh, and good luck with your buddy in the Mercedes.
Closed out. I was a bit too early, I guess. This is still consolidation for the most part. I'm gonna continue looking for sells. Although if my theory is correct, the market should start reversing now since we breached the lows of today. Okay, but a retest of this trend line and continuation seems more likely for the now. Sell signal initiated here. Looking for 1 to 3. One to two, maybe more conservative, because this is beginning to look like divergence. The market not breaking here. I think it's gonna retrace now. Closing this position early because I think the market is gonna go up now. Just not feeling comfortable selling double top, double bottom. So we're basically at break even for the day. I think that as soon as we breach this low, we're gonna reverse. Not very much momentum, so it's worth waiting now. Yeah, no. The starting balance is 1,000. The $50 a day, that's the challenge. The profit target each day. Alright, let's get that pullback. I think I can comfortably get a 1 to 5 here. Get that coffee, man, get that coffee. Okay, buy signal forming here. I'm gonna look to add once we break here. If the range bar, yeah, it closed green, adding to the position. It just so coincides with the exact opening price of the last position, so it looks like one position. Okay, closed out of the 2. I was too early here. So looks like we retested the level again, consolidating and looking for a continuation down. Looking for 1 to 5 to this level here. Could be that the market is just getting liquidity here in order to reverse. So I gotta be careful with this.
The horizon pulls me closer, a whisper in the wind. The map is blank before me. Where do I begin?
Closing here, I wanna be at break even. I'm not really sure this is gonna continue.
With every step I'm
So break even for now. From what I've seen last several days, the market always does this at the open. Just shoots down, reverses. And currently it's not too overextended, but it's hitting that level where it can just retrace. So just a comfortable 1 to 2 on the last position. I think I'm gonna wait for the 30-minute candle to close. And also noticeably there's not the same intensity to the move here compared to the start of the market. So this means that it's likely exhausting to the downside and can easily reverse. But let's see if there's any evidence of that. So let's be patient. And of course I can be completely wrong and we can just push and push down for another 100 for another 100 points. Yeah, I still stand by the theory that we're gonna reverse soon. I just don't see the intensity for a continuation here, for a bearish trend day. So this position was a 1 to 3 potential. We took 1 to 2. And we're again hitting oversold. Now I'm gonna see if this buy signal is real. Should have used a bigger stop, but it seems we're holding, adding to the position now. I want to see the market overcome this level. Otherwise it could just be a pullback and then consolidation again. So I want to see real momentum here. First 30-minute candle closed. And we had lower lows with diverging stochastic. Closed out of the second position.
Blinding lights, lost in your eyes, feeling the pressure. You and I, spending the night, chasing forever. For you, oh no, I'd be a one and only.
Range bar closed green. I'm gonna add again.
Don't leave me lonely. Say you'll stay through the pain. Say you won't go running. Let me in through your veins. Get off on my loving.
I would like to see the market come here for a 1, 2, 3.
Holding on to words that you said back in the beginning. All along, they stay in my head. I'm feeling you shifting. For you, oh no, I'd be a one and only. Don't let me go. Don't leave me lonely. Say you'll stay through the pain.
So it's forming a bit of a trend line. Let's see if that holds. Continuous holding, adding to the position.
So
Okay, big potential for a 5-minute reversal. What happened to my music, man?
are you in a field of ice and snow, holding out your hand for me to go? Wasn't scared to see you, always knew it in my bones that something here was bound to take me home. You said you don't know me well, but I'm your angel in white. I'll be close if you come, I'll be just behind you. You're not on the list, but I can get you inside. Use your mind, listen to my voice as a guide. You give yourself over, yeah, you don't wanna fight.
Currently looking like the market doesn't have much momentum, so it's slowly building up. I'm debating whether I should take profit here and just be on profit for the day. Although there's nothing suggesting that we continue lower for now.
Connecting the dots, black spots in my vision. I'll be blaming it on divine intuition. I'll be praying for a divine intervention or anything else that gets my attention. And I'm falling for you. You're a fine invention, the sort of poison to me, but I keep forgetting. And now I'm halfway in and I'm half alive. You take my face and you hold it up to the light. Something here was bound to take me home. If not you, not you, then I don't know. As above is ever so below. Something here was bound to take me home.
closed out of the third position. It was risky adding here because we just reached the previous lows. Break and retests of the trend line here. Barely got stopped out. Current P&L minus 20 for the day.
You shouldn't say that. SUPXR.
Okay, closed out of the three positions. Looks like it wasn't time for the reversal. Current P&L for the day, 45, minus 45. At this point, I'm not sure the market wants to really continue lower, and it's not reversing, so there's nothing to do other than wait. So the truth is, I should have just taken profit here when we reached the previous lows, and I would have secured some profit for the day. But I was betting on this being a 5-minute reversal and just a little bit more momentum for at least 30 points, which would have reached the daily target for us. I'm not looking to sell because this whole level seems really supportive. And we could just be forming a double bottom here. A buy signal at this level would be just perfect. And also I could have taken this for a quick 1 to 2. But as I said, I don't think this is the time to sell. Alright, we have lower lows, no divergence. This could mean that we accelerate. This is just an awfully long range here. And we're just at the point where we're entering this supply zone. Okay, just as I said it, we have slight divergence, so I'm willing to take a buy here. Waiting for 2 consecutive range bars. I could just take an early entry. Okay, we have the second range bar going along 1.
Sobe o clima, sente o calor. Requebra no ritmo, sente o amor. Vem no flow, não pode negar. Essa vibe é nossa, pode acreditar. Mexe, mexe sem parar. Essa energia vai te levar. Chovendo todo mundo dançar. É o baile que nunca vai acabar.
Once the range bar closes, I'm gonna look to add to the position. Added a second one. Closed out of the second. And closed out of the first position. P&L for the day minus 70. Not sure if I should risk anymore now. The reversal is not happening right now. This is beginning to look like a trend day. And we have fallen about 100 points from the start. Okay, I'm gonna take a quick break and reassess.
In a cycle, I cannot focus, losing patience every day. In the end, I know the reason for why I cannot Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion to a new tomorrow. Don't let me go, don't set me free, just hold me. 何度夜越えて朝迎えても stay here ここにいて見つめた横顔このまま時止まればいいけど失って miss you tonight 見透かして乾いた心がこのまま世界が止まればって願っても会えるのはもう夢の中だけ Just say you want me With you, with you, with you, kiss me now Just say you love me With you, with you, with you, tell me now あなたを愛しても信じても振り向かない嫌いにさせてよねどうしてなら届かない想いまだそばにいてよ追いかけるほど縛りつけるほど遠ざかってく未来また後悔 Cry inside 気づけば憶測ばかり本当は執着したくないもう存在意義もわからないああ全部忘れたい Just say you want me With you, with you, with you, kiss me now Just say you love me With you, with you, with you, tell me now あなたを愛しても信じても振り向かない嫌いにさせてよねどうしてなら届かない takes me back in time to laughter and long nights we left behind. We were young, wild under open skies, Yeah, now you got me out in the deep. Feeling I'll be wrapped around your neck. When you burn me out like a cigarette. Yeah, drifting in the city, no sleep. Don't know where we headed for next. Maybe we should get lost in the sweet escape.
You tease me and you touch me. I'm going crazy about it. Keep saying that it's nothing. So tell me what to do. I'm losing all my cool. Feeling like ain't nobody else around us.
Okay, so what happened here? As expected, at the hourly close, the market is returning, recovering. I was gonna take a break around here. I saw that we're starting to break the trend line. Took some early positions, which were of course not the best idea. I should have waited for some confirmation, and essentially made the daily PNL minus 115. And after that, when the hourly candle opened, we started retracing, and I started opening positions out of this and this level. And we're currently holding this trend line here. So looking for 20 to 30 more points to get to break even for the day and a bit of profit. And that's going to be it for the session. I guess I should have been more patient around here at the lows. We had divergence. That's when I started selling. Started buying at this level. Got closed out. Bought again here, closed out again. And after that, the market started going up. Now, at this point here at that level, I'm not sure if we're gonna get a big pullback or we're just gonna shoot through. For the moment, I'm gonna be patient and wait. But in the next 10 minutes, if we don't get to the profit target, I'm just gonna close the positions and end the session at a slight loss.
Music is my therapy, dancing is my medicine, lifting everybody
Come on, Dax, let's go. 10 more points. Yeah. About 10-15 points, and that's it. No. Doesn't seem to have the strength. It's holding on to this trend line. Momentum is dying. I don't really like it. It's a shame that we're so close to the break-even. Yeah, that's not good. God damn it. Came to the trend line here, broke the other one, so this one's holding. This could just be a pullback. And we could be just gathering liquidity here. Could be the case. I'm afraid of this level being resistance, but for now it seems that we stayed at it, retested, and could continue up. This is still a good sign. Just looking for a final impulse up. $10 to 20 points.
You can probably say it in the way I stay, and I know getting any closer. Is this gonna be too much for us to bear? I don't need to tell you that it's over. You can probably see it in the way I stare. Is this gonna be too much for us to bear? I'm just calling to say. It's gonna be too much for us to
We're running round in circles. Love feels so invincible. Feel you when there's no one around. Your beauty's so amazing. I will always hold you down. Your heart will be.
Does not look good. Does not look good. Just came above the high and retracing now. Micro double top. Alright, looks like we held here. Now continuing the next leg up, I hope. Just looking for the next higher high, take profit. This candle looks like a good sign. Still holding up at this level. And it's becoming increasingly risky to hold. There might be a big pullback here. Let's see if the level holds. This basically says no liquidity, so I'm not very hopeful. Closing here. So basically minus $20 for the day, for the session at least. I'm not gonna risk it and sit around and wait for this to turn out to be a pullback. Just to take away the profit. So considering I was working from 10% drawdown, it's pretty good. Got a good recovery. And yeah, I started up well with selling here at the start. Good 1 to 3. No, 1 to 2. Then I hesitated around this level. I should have taken the instead of buying, I should have continued selling. And at least when I was proven wrong around here, I should have took the sell signal, which would have been good. I anticipated the pullback here after the 100-point move, but I was a bit too early. Then made a few mistakes around here, around this level, just being too quick with the positioning. And finally here, when the market started reversing, I took some positions. Okay, this is beginning to look like a good opportunity to buy. But I have the same issue with this level. I want to see it broken with momentum, otherwise it's just gonna go a bit above it, take liquidity and then retrace, because this market needs a bit of a pullback in order to continue up. Even though it's holding this level, I'm not really confident, and that's why I took profits here, just to mitigate the loss. Closing on $20 loss for the session, but it's okay. Alright, that'll be it for today. Good recovery, good recovery. I'm happy with that, even though I didn't hold for the take profits here. I'm pretty sure that this next level is gonna act as resistance. This is the Asia lows for today. Or it was before the market opened. So yeah, overall not a profitable day, but still a good one. And let's see how the US session goes. Alright, peace.